everybody, it's Lori at Pizazz Studios. Thank you again for joining me. Today I'm doing my 4th of July pour. So happy 4th of July, everyone. What I'm going to paint on today is a wooden star. My paints are all mixed up. I'm ready to go. Obvious colors will be red, white, and blue. And I have my coffee, so those of you that know me at all know that when I have my coffee, I'm ready to go. All is good. So thank you again for joining me. If you enjoy my video, I appreciate it when you hit the thumbs up button. Leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would. Thank you very much and enjoy the video. All right, everybody. So I'm all set up here. I have my star here. It's a wooden star. It actually measures 10 inches in size, so it's a decent size. It's not tiny. Certainly not anything like the big 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas I just did. It's respectable. So don't mind the table being quite a mess. I have some plastic down and I just did my gallery wrapped canvas and I have a lot of drippings here. But we will work around it because my goal is to do this pour for you guys in honor of 4th of July. So I'm starting with the white base. I already painted the star white with just a white paint because it's wood and the wood will just absorb all my paint. So I painted it first. There is a hole here as well for a string or something like that if you wanted to hang it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this afterwards. I'm going to do the marble technique again today. I did a marble technique. I did a video, actually I've done a couple. I did one with 3 marbles, 3 different size marbles. That was a lot of fun. I'll put links to the video down below in the description box for you. I also did another one that was absolutely stunning with some beautiful metallic purple in it. And I'll put a link to that one as well. Okay, switching this a bit to get rid of some air bubbles. I have some more white in here, so I'm going to start I don't know how I want to do this. I hadn't really thought it out. Star is an interesting shape. I never really thought about it. I think I'm just going to do 3. I want to make a larger one in the middle so I can sort of go up and down here a little bit. And I'll do one over here. So I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday. Now I'm putting down my red, obviously. I'm going to put a little bit of white in between my red and my blue. YouTube loves interaction from you guys with my videos. So if you could find just a moment to leave a quick comment, even if you just want to say hi, I'd appreciate that so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I'm going to put down my blue. I'll leave my recipe down in the description box for you. This blue is a custom blue that I made up. I had some leftover blue paint from previous pour and I just added some primary blue to it to make it a bit darker. So I have a lot of videos coming out for everybody. I actually recently did one with how I make my one of my cell activators, I should say. So if you're interested in that, if you need help with cell activator recipe, or how to make it. I'm going to put my marble right in the middle. All right, here we go. I'm going to speed this part up a little bit for you. A little helpful tip for you. I take my marble and I throw it in a little cup of water when I'm done with it. That way it is easier to clean afterwards. Okay, so this looks pretty. I like this. I'm going to torch one more time for bubbles. And now I'm going to tilt it. This is actually really neat. I hope you can see that well. It's a little hard to hold because it's so narrow. There's not a lot of sides to the star. It's very flat. This is where the little hole is, so I think I lost a little bit of paint through the hole there. But that's okay. As long as I have enough paint on here to keep tilted, I should be all set. Sorry I can't hold it towards the camera very well at the moment. Like I said, it's difficult to hold and I'm trying not to drop it, so bear with me, I'm sorry. I'm gonna and go back towards the center. Oh, this is really pretty. I'm gonna go this way now. A star is a difficult shape because you can't really hold like the corners like on a canvas. So I have paint dripping down these sides as well as I'm trying to get it down here. So it's a little bit, it's being a little bit difficult, but I'm making it work because it is fun actually. It's coming out very nice. All right. I like this a lot. This is really neat. Huh. How cute is that? Now, I forgot where the top was. Not that it matters. You can hang it in any direction. I was just looking to see where that, oh, here it is. Where that hole was. So it's actually right here. That's, you know, supposed to be the top, but not that it matters. Wipe off the bottom a little bit here. I have excess paint underneath that I want to wipe off. Okay, everyone, I'm going to zoom in here. Give us a look. It came out really neat. This is really cool. Nice crisp lines. I like this a lot. Okay, let me get you from the other perspective here. We'll give you another close-up. Thank you so much for watching. I really love how this turned out. So pretty. And so, by the way, you can get these stars really easy at the dollar store. So inexpensive, and what fun is that? Nice little decor item that you can put on your home or give as a gift or whatever you'd like to do with it. But it's really neat. Obviously, you can do different colors, you could do different holidays, you could do all sorts of great things with this. I think this is a lot of fun. I love stars anyway, even if it wasn't a bicentennial reason or Independence Day reason, anything like that. So there we go, and there we have it. I think this came out wonderful. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again real soon on the next video. Okay, enjoy your holiday. Bye for now.